Hello everybody, how you doing today? I got a Northwestern A&B unit. Happened to unbox these a while back, but haven't had a chance to test them out, see if they need any repairs, and run them. So in the description below I will put a link to that unboxing if you guys want to check that out. So yeah, let's get to this and see what we got going here. Alright, I got the shell off, and there's motors exposed, so let's see if it's gonna work. And it sure does. No problem. Let's see if it likes to pick up from the wheels. Yeah, sure will. Looks like all we need to do is a little bit of a tune-up, and we'll be ready to run it. And just has a in the future for you guys, if you ever have a locomotive that squeals like a chipmunk, usually it's this right here or this here, this bearing on either side. So if you put a little label on that, that will get rid of that chipmunk squeal. It's usually one side, not both sides, but just if you ever have that in the future. So alright, let's get it lubricated up. Why aren't you zooming in on that? Wow. Alright, as you can see, I've put the shell back on, and I exposed the gearbox so we can lubricate it. I'll put a little bit of grease, a little bit of oil, and we will get that running pretty good. Doesn't look too dirty in there. Alright, we got the back part opened up, and as you can see, these brass wheels are a little bit on the dirty side. Kind of black looking. Let's see how much cleanup we can do to that. Take a fiberglass pencil, clean those little brass pieces there, looking pretty shiny. Yeah, looks a lot better. Alright, as you can see, we got one half of it cleaned. This half's about as black as night, and this one's nice and shiny. Same within there. And the electrical current is picked up on the inside, so it's really important to get the inside clean because it rubs against that right there. So there you go, one side down and 3 more to go. Turns out I have another repair to do. One side of the coupler box is broken off a little bit right there, so I'm going to have to do a little repair to that. Alright, as you can see, I glued on a clear piece of plastic, and what that plastic is from a milk carton. I will paint it or use a little bit of magic marker, and it'll blend right in. Alright, we got the coupler box repaired and working right, and put the right size coupler in it. They had one that was way too big of a hole anyway. That was definitely the wrong size, but this one, that'll work good. Now that I've done a little bit more cleaning up on it, see that they for some reason put not one traction tire on, but a rubber band. So I'm gonna have to put a traction tire on that. I guess if that helped it get around a little bit, but I think I can do better than that. Alright everybody, I installed a new tire with my traction tire, my little installer there, and we'll see how that works. definitely think it'll work better than this rubber band that was wrapped around it. I think it's going to be a little fast running guy. Now the B unit is not powered, but I did clean it up, lubricate it, and my plans are, I've got several of these. This one's on my rack here to test. It's the same type of shell. So I'll test this, get it running, since I've got like a bunch of Santa Fe's. These come in kits, or they were sold all the time. So there's an abundance of these. So I'll just swap this out with that one and have it as a powered B unit. But for now, it's not powered.